Why modern Power BI teams are moving to Microsoft Fabric. Let's dive into the challenge most BI teams face. Version chaos, a familiar struggle. Still stuck in version chaos? The real struggle with dashboards piling up version after version? We've all been there, and it's costing more than just time. The real problem. Why Power BI falls short. Power BI is powerful, but traditional development? Not so much. It slows everything down. Disconnected report. No source control? Slow rollout. Here's the solution. A platform that brings order to the creative chaos. Microsoft Fabric. It's your BI team's new best friend. It brings the structure of DevOps into the creative world of business intelligence. Let's break it down. Here's what makes Microsoft Fabric a game changer. Number 1, Git integration. So your entire team works on the same version. Number 2, Semantic model. Say goodbye to conflicting KPIs. Number 3, CI/CD pipelines. Seamless rollout from development to production. Number 4, governed workspaces. Guardrails in place, freedom intact. Number 5, real-time collaboration. Cut review cycles in half. So let's build reports like tech companies build code. Ready to modernize your Power BI development? Let's make it happen. Book a free consultation with Exult Global today. Exult Global, your Microsoft Solutions specialist for Power Platform, Fabric, and Copilot.